Welcome to Sherwood RV's 2-minute tour of the 2021 Rockwood A214. It's a fiberglass hard wall pop-up. Come on inside and see why this one might be right for you. This A-frame is easy to set up and option-packed. On the passenger side, there's the pass-through storage and exterior access to the black tank. It comes with a large grab handle, outdoor speaker, 110 power outlet, a mounting rail for the included table and grill, and more storage at the back. On the driver's side is the Easy Reach pull-out storage, a 30 amp service connection, a large frameless picture window, outdoor shower, and another Easy Reach compartment. At the back of the trailer, you'll find the spare tire, another large picture window, and the Wi-Fi Ranger. At the front, you'll find the power tongue jack, a tank protector, dual battery box, another large window, and of course the large full-width storage trunk. Inside, you'll be amazed by the spacious, warm decor. On one end is a double bed, and beside it, a collapsible dinette. A little further down is a sink, a double burner cooktop stove with fridge and cabinetry below. No more late night walks to the park bathroom. The A214 comes with a coverable wet bath. Beside the entry door is a countertop and cabinet that contains the stereo, thermostat, and microwave. Just around the corner from that and below the bed, you'll find the Cool Cat AC. I am truly a fan of these Rockwood A-frames. They are well thought out, well equipped, and well built. Not only that, but they are easy to set up, easy to tow, and can be stored in your yard or garage. So if you're considering a lightweight SUV towable camper and don't want to give up those creature comforts, contact or come see us at Sherwood RV, because we can talk A-frames all day long.